Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you guys my morning routine and what I do to keep my skin looking young and fresh. Okay, I get a lot of questions in regards to what do I do to have great skin and free of acne. So I'm going to be sharing with you what I do every morning. So I love wearing these eye patches to get rid of my puffiness, especially like if I've been out or I didn't sleep well. We want to get rid of that during the morning. So while I'm getting ready, I put this on. Also, I love wearing these patches for when I'm also applying my makeup. So you probably have seen these patches before on my other makeup tutorials. So then I go around, do my stuff, and I have these on for a few minutes, and then I come in, I prep my face. So I usually like doing this technique in particular when I'm gonna go out on a date or I have an event going on. I really want my skin to look very hydrated, very plump, very nice. So I'm gonna show you guys what I do. So let's take these off. And we want to be very gentle when we're taking these patches off because we don't want to stretch the skin right here. So what I like to do is I like to go in with a bar soap. I don't use a cleanser and I don't use like a foam cleansing wash for my face just because I don't like the skin cleansers that are out there. I haven't had one that really works with my skin, so I've always either used Dove or Caress to wash my face. I feel like it works for me. It may not work for other people, but this is what I've been using for years. So I go ahead and wash my face, and I like using lukewarm water. So I lather some soap and I wash my face. And I like doing it in circular motions to get the blood flow going, and also, to give it a little bit of a massage that helps with wrinkles, so we can age really well. So I'll wash my face like this in circular motion. Okay. So once it's already nice and foamy, so now that I have, soap on my face, I like grabbing my Radiant Skin Care System. And Duvel was actually nice enough to send me this system, which I really like, and you guys will see. It comes with 4 interchangeable accessories: a facial exfoliator brush, a large body cleansing brush, a facial cleansing brush, and a pumice stone. I really like this skincare system. I have another one that I use. It's a smaller one. I like the power that this one has. It works really great. So I will pop the facial cleansing brush into the system, and I will apply a little bit of soap on the brush. And then I will turn it on, and then I will start buffing my skin. So I like, going in circular motion, getting the blood flow going, avoiding your eye, and just, getting my face nice and cleansed for this day. And then I'll go ahead and wash my face. So now I want to pat dry. So you want to pat dry and keep, some of that moisture that we brought back to our skin. And that's it, right? So now it's all nice and clean. The other thing that I love to do is to exfoliate once a week. So now depending on your skin type, you can do, you know, every other day or twice a week or once a week. So I prefer once a week. So I actually like preparing my own exfoliator, and I'll show you how I prep my exfoliator. So what I do is I get a tablespoon of sugar, a tablespoon of coffee grounds, and a tablespoon of coconut oil. You want to go ahead and mix all of these ingredients together and make a paste. So now that I've made my paste right here, so I grab a little bit, and I like to make enough for like a few days. And I also like to exfoliate my entire body with this. I'll make a little bit extra to do that while I'm showering. So I'll take a little bit of the paste that I created, and this is so much fun. You guys can do this at home, and it's super cheap to do, and your skin will thank you. So I'll grab a little bit and I'll apply it onto my skin. And I love using the coffee grounds because it brings life back to your skin. It really just makes your skin super, super soft. It makes your face just glow. I really, really love it. All right, so now that I have this on, I'll also use the Radiant Skincare System, and I will pop on the facial exfoliator brush onto the system, and then I'll exfoliate with the brush all of these coffee grounds, sugar, and the coconut oil that I have made. So then I'll go in and I will exfoliate my face. And as you can see, I like going in circular motion. I also like pushing my skin up because you want to tighten and firm and create, you know, that tightness going up instead of, you know, bringing it down, because you want to be, you know, youthful and our face just to glow and plump up. I also like going up on my neck like this to get rid of like all these fine lines, you know, and massage my neck as well. And I also like doing it with the skincare system and exfoliating this area too. So once I'm done, I'm gonna go ahead and wash my face. So then again, I want to pat dry my skin. So now that my skin is nice and fresh and super smooth, guys, like if you guys try this at home, like you guys are gonna love it because it really leaves your skin really, really nice and smooth. I actually like doing this, like I said, every week. Especially on the days that I know that I'm not going to go out and I'm not going to do anything, I'm not going to put makeup on. I actually love going out just like this, a bare face, because I know that my face just looks really vibrant, plumped. You can tell the difference from when I started this video with you guys. Now my face just looks so much better and it feels so much better. So once I'm done with that and I've pat dried my face, I'll go in with a nice moisturizer, and I love using the Olay Regenerist Microsculpting Cream, and I love this because it smells great and it's for anti-aging, which I love. We want to help reduce those wrinkles as early as possible, so I love using this moisturizer. So I'll grab a little bit and then I'll just massage it onto my skin. Again, going in circular motions, you know, going up and right here too, on my nose, my forehead, and just really getting that product in and really moisturizing your face. And super important, especially like if you're going to be doing, you know, your makeup and you want your makeup to last all day. Moisturizing your face and prepping your face is super important for that. So using a nice moisturizing and letting the moisturizer, you know, get absorbed by the skin helps a lot to make your makeup look really, really nice. So that's what I like to use, and I also, you know, rub some on my neck going up. We don't want to get those wrinkles, you know. So yeah, this is how, you know, I do my daily morning routine. Sometimes I will do, like I said, the scrub, but for the most part, I try to do it once a week. Other than that, I'll skip the scrub and just do my moisturizer once I'm done cleansing my skin. So I hope you guys enjoy watching my morning skin routine. I hope you guys learned some tricks that, you know, has helped me in the past. And it's so important, guys, to start a skin routine that is going to help your skin look so good, especially as we age. It's never too late to start. Always remove your makeup. Don't sleep with your makeup on. It really damages your skin. So if you guys try my scrub at home, let me know in the comments down below. And if you guys enjoyed watching this, or if you guys want to watch another skin routine that I do, please let me know in the comments down below, and I would love to create more of these videos for you guys. So thanks so much for watching. Bye bye.